Hello, IMVU creators. Today we will make a tutorial on how to create IMVU catalog image for your product. Make sure that the Windows scaling is 100%. By right-clicking on Desktop, then you choose Display Settings. Make sure Scale is 100%. Open GIF Maker application and register it using our license key we sent to your email. Open IMVU and where the product you want to capture. Select File Type, Frame Capture Speed, Play Speed and maximum number of frames to capture. Press Start Capture and resize the frame as you desire. Press Enter key to start capturing the frames. Make sure the file size doesn't exceed 50 kilobytes. You can deselect some frames to lower the file size as desired. You can add your watermark to the frame by selecting Options, then selecting your watermark image file. It must be a PNG file to work. You can specify the frame size as desired. You can capture the frames manually by choosing Manual Capture Mode. You press Enter key to capture frames. Then, when you finish, you press E key. You can try different settings to match your desired image. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Happy creating, and see you on the next video.